Okay. Back onto this. The Pac-Man problem, right? You had to find the perimeter and the area. Okay, so let's do that first. The perimeter, wouldn't the perimeter be like the full circle minus 60 out of 360 out of that circle? Wouldn't that be the same as 280 out of 360 of the circle? Oh, look, squirrel. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? I don't know. Oh, I know why. But is that it? Definitely not. That is not the perimeter of the shape. Why plus 10? Because of the two sides. Okay, now, can I just do 1/12? Is that 1/12? It's 3 over 36, 1/12. Oh wait, no, that's not 1/12. What is that? What is it? 5/6? So 5/6 times 2 pi r? Is that right? So times 10 pi? Is that right? Or no? Some people are looking at me like, plus 10. And this is in centimeters. Okay. Huh? Yeah, perimeter. So then, I don't know, what'd you guys get when you did this? Somebody tell me. 6.2? 0.18. Did you add the 10 to it yet?
No.
So 36.18 centimeters is the perimeter.
If you did 0.2?
Sure. If it's paper 4, it says correct two decimal places usually. On the front it says it. Yeah. If it doesn't say other than the instructions for the problem what to do, then you got a 2 decimals. All right. What about the area? So 2 pi r squared is the area of the, minus the 1/6 of what?
Isn't area just pi r squared?
Yes.
Oh,
I don't know why. Could I have just done this then? Yeah? And r is 5. So it's 125 pi over 6. Whatever that turns out to be. What's that turn out to be? 55 point... Squirrel. I can't hear. I have a head cold. Yeah. Not really, I have a head cold. My ears are like really clogged up. Okay, good. Any questions on the first one then? So if you missed something, you missed these. Correct? For the perimeter. Right, Christina? Yep. You gotta be careful. Second one. Man, I think the second one's actually easier. Second one, we've got this funky pyramid. These are parallel, which makes them similar shapes, which makes this little one right here similar to the entire thing, right? And it tells you that the volume of the entire thing is 420 meters squared, so you have to figure out the remaining area if you took off the part with just the 2, right? So, what's the first thing you gotta do? Find the scale factor. What is the scale factor? What's that? So the scale factor is 2/7. Okay? Then what do you got to do? Cube it? Why? Because we're going to be dealing with volume, right? Okay. So this is the scale factor for volume. Now what? Multiply that by the volume you're given. Okay. And so this is, what is this? The volume of what? Of the top. Correct. That's the volume of the top. Right? So I was reminded this morning by the freshmen of how important it is to make sure you understand what the numbers are doing and what they mean. Because they're getting really confused because they were just doing numbers and they forgot to like identify what they mean. So this is the scale factor. We're cubing it because we're talking about volume. That's the volume of the entire thing, so this gives you the volume of the piece. So then you just have to subtract that. And Sophia, what'd you get? Because you got what I got, but I don't have it in front of me anymore.
I have 110.2.
For what?
410.2.
Yes. So Jubin, you messed that one up at first, right? Why? What'd you do?
I set up a proportion.
You what?
I set up a proportion.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah. Well, this is a proportion too, but then it's just a lot more efficient. Okay. Mia, what's your question? Are you tired today? Did you guys win yesterday?